I honestly thought this was a prank until I tried it. This is the weirdest Amazon find I've ever bought, and it's officially a game changer. But that's just the beginning. From space-saving hacks you didn't know existed to genius gadgets that will make your kitchen look like it's from 2026. I've tested dozens, but these are the 21 viral finds that actually make sense. Let's get into it.
Stop wrestling with jars like it's a workout. This automatic electric jar opener fits any size lid, presses down, and opens it in seconds with zero effort. No more banging it on the counter, running it under hot water, or asking someone else to do it. One button, done. It's a total game changer for anyone with arthritis, weak grip, or just anyone who's tired of losing a fight to a pickle jar.
If your under-sink cabinet looks like a crime scene, this is your fix. This stackable organizer doubles your storage space without drilling a single hole. It holds cleaning supplies, bottles, sponges, everything. And because it's two-tiered, you're using vertical space that was completely wasted before. 5 minutes to set up, and your cabinet goes from chaos to completely organized. If you cook rice and you're still rinsing it in a regular bowl, you need this. This rice washer has built-in drainage fingers that drain the water without losing a single grain. Swirl, drain, done, in half the time with zero mess. It also works as a strainer for quinoa, lentils, small pasta, and anything else that falls through a regular colander. Simple product, but once you use it, you'll wonder how you ever managed without it. Add your ingredients, press a button, and wake up to fresh, homemade bread. That's genuinely what this Cuisinart Bread Maker does. No kneading, no mess, no skill required. It has 12 preset programs for everything from white bread to gluten-free to sweet loaves, and the automatic fruit and nut dispenser adds mix-ins at exactly the right time. Bakery-quality bread at home for pennies per loaf. This machine pays for itself fast. This trash can opens without touching it, seals the bag automatically when it's full, and ties it off so you never have to touch the garbage with your hands. Wave your hand, drop the trash, walk away. It's the kind of upgrade that sounds like a luxury until you have it. And then going back to a regular trash can feels genuinely impossible. For the kitchen, the bathroom, the office, this thing makes one of the worst daily tasks completely effortless. Pour your oil and brush it on at the same time. That's the whole genius of this product. One squeeze and the silicone brush applies oil directly to your pan, your grill, your dough, or your meat perfectly and evenly every single time. No more pouring too much, no more soggy food, no more wasted oil. It's the kind of kitchen tool that looks simple and then completely changes how you cook. Open any kitchen drawer right now, I guarantee it's a mess. These adjustable drawer dividers expand to fit any drawer size and lock everything into its own section. Utensils, gadgets, lids, batteries, everything has a place, and nothing shifts around when you open and close it. The before and after on these is genuinely shocking. This is the organizing product people keep coming back to buy for every single room in the house. Stop spending $6 on lattes when you can make a better one at home in 60 seconds. This handheld frother from Zulay turns regular milk into thick, creamy foam instantly. Hot lattes, iced matcha, protein shakes, whipped coffee, it does all of it. It runs on 2 batteries, costs almost nothing, and it's one of the most gifted kitchen gadgets on Amazon for a reason. Once you own one, you use it every single day. If you have a small kitchen, this cutting board is going to completely change how you cook. It sits right over the sink, instantly doubling your counter space. Chop your vegetables directly into the colander below, no mess, no transferring, no extra dishes. It's collapsible for easy storage, non-slip so it stays in place, and fits most standard sinks. The before and after in a small kitchen is genuinely unbelievable. Cold brew coffee at home costs about 25 cents a glass. The same drink at a coffee shop costs $6. This Takea cold brew maker holds a full quart. The airtight lid keeps it fresh in the fridge for 2 weeks, and the whole thing is dishwasher safe. Add coffee grounds and cold water, wait overnight, and you have smooth, rich cold brew ready to pour every morning. It pays for itself after literally 3 uses. This is the chopper that makes meal prep actually fast. 7 interchangeable blades for dicing, slicing, spiralizing, grating, and more. Everything snaps in and out in seconds. What takes 20 minutes of knife work takes 2 minutes with this. Onions, peppers, zucchini, carrots, potatoes, everything gets done uniform and fast. It's one of the highest rated kitchen gadgets on Amazon, and every single person who buys it asks why they waited so long. Carrying a pot full of boiling water to the sink to drain it is one of the most dangerous things people do in the kitchen every single day. This silicone clip-on strainer attaches to any pot and lets you drain it right there on the stove. No carrying, no separate colander, no burns. It's heat-resistant, dishwasher safe, and works with every pot you already own. Simple fix to a genuinely dangerous kitchen habit. Open your fridge right now. Something in the back has been there for 3 weeks and you have no idea. These clear, stackable bins completely transform your refrigerator. Everything has a labeled section, nothing gets lost in the back, and you can see exactly what you have at a glance. Leftovers, drinks, snacks, deli items, all organized, all visible. People who do this to their fridge say it also helps them waste less food and spend less money at the grocery store. Leave the thermometer in the meat, walk away, and your phone tells you exactly when it's done. That's the entire pitch for this Chef IQ wireless thermometer, and it is genuinely as good as it sounds. No more cutting into your chicken to check it, no more overcooked steak, no more dry pork. It connects to an app that tracks the temperature in real time and alerts you the second your food hits the perfect internal temp. Every grill master and home cook needs one. This is officially the GOAT of kitchen gadgets. If you struggle with stubborn jars, this under-cabinet opener is a lifesaver. It's hidden out of sight, easy to install, and opens literally any size lid with just one hand. Perfect for anyone with arthritis or just anyone who hates fighting with pickle jars. Screw it under any cabinet once, and you never think about stuck lids again. 10 out of 10 recommendation. These silicone bags replace every single-use Ziploc in your kitchen, and they last for years. Airtight seal, leak-proof, dishwasher-safe, microwave-safe, freezer-safe. They do everything a plastic bag does, but better. Meal prep, snack storage, marinating meat, packing lunch. One bag that you buy once and use forever. This is the kind of switch that saves you money every single week and is genuinely better for your kitchen in every way. Stop using those annoying chip clips that never work. This mini heat sealer reseals any plastic bag airtight in one swipe. It keeps your snacks fresh for weeks, has a built-in cutter to open them back up, and the whole thing is smaller than a marker. Chips, coffee, frozen food, cereal, anything that comes in a plastic bag stays perfectly fresh. This is one of those gadgets you didn't know you needed until you have it. If you have a tiny kitchen, you're wasting this huge space right here. This magnetic stove shelf literally snaps onto your range in seconds. It creates instant storage for your spices and oils without drilling a single hole. Its heavy-duty, heat-resistant silicone holds everything in place, and honestly, it makes your kitchen look 10 times more organized. One of the best small kitchen hacks on Amazon this year. This silicone drying rack sits right over your sink, drains directly into it, and rolls up flat when you're done. No more bulky dish rack taking up counter space. No more standing water pooling underneath it. It's heat-resistant up to 480 degrees, so it doubles as a trivet for hot pots and pans. Sleek, functional, and it makes your counter look completely clear when it's not in use. One of those products that earns its spot in the kitchen immediately. Everything at the back of your cabinet becomes completely accessible with this pull-out organizer. Instead of reaching in and knocking things over, the whole shelf slides out and brings everything to you. Pots, pans, canned goods, cleaning supplies, whatever you store in deep cabinets, this solves the problem permanently. No tools needed to install, and it fits most standard cabinet sizes right out of the box. Scrubbing the bathroom used to take 20 minutes of kneeling on the floor with a brush. This electric spin scrubber does it in 5 minutes, standing up. The rotating head does all the work. Tiles, grout, tubs, sinks, toilet bowls, everything comes out looking brand new with zero physical effort. The extension handle reaches corners and floor tiles without bending over once. People who buy this stop dreading bathroom cleaning day entirely.